When I'm thinking about cooking a whole fish, my mind goes to sea bass. It reminds me about lunches on a Greek island called Zakynthos. I find it very tasty compared to other types of fish, and it's very easy to cook in the oven. I'm going to pair it with some boiled potatoes with butter and parsley. Here is what you'll need: 1 sea bass about 1.5 pounds or 600 grams, 1 pound or 500 grams of potatoes, 1 tablespoon of butter, fresh parsley, 1 lemon, 1 clove of garlic, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, olive oil, salt and pepper. Start by cutting the lemon into thick slices and then cut them in half. Next, cut the garlic into slices. At this point, preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Now, place the sea bass on an oven tray covered with a baking sheet and pour olive oil over both sides of the fish. Make some shallow cuts on the sides and then sprinkle oregano, salt and pepper. Then add the same spices inside. Next, put the garlic and lemon slices inside. Place the fish into the oven and cook for 20 minutes. For the garnish, first you need to peel and wash the potatoes. Second, cut them into medium cubes. Drop the potatoes into boiling water with salt and let them cook for 11 minutes at medium heat. While that is happening, finely chop the parsley. Once the potatoes are done, drain the water and add the butter and parsley over them. Mix gently until the potatoes are evenly covered. You can add more salt if you want. Take the fish out of the oven and gently place it on a big plate, surrounding it with potatoes afterwards. This is a relatively simple dish to make all together, but it has lots of flavor. It's also nice to share it with someone. You could have this for a simple weekday dinner with your partner, or get more fish and have it for a family meal. Thank you for watching. See the link in the description for the ingredient list and step-by-step recipe on my website. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments if you have questions or how your baked sea bass and potatoes turned out when you tried it at home.